Okay, I'm going to make a video here to try to help some people out. This book, Treat Your Own Neck by Robin McKenzie. I very rarely recommend things, but this is something my physical therapist recommended for me to read. And you also have Treat Your Own Back, but it has been a game changer for me. Um, Not to go into too much detail, but like I'm going on 8 years now of neck problems from getting thrown on my head during training in jujitsu, and nothing has worked. Stretch it, pain all the time, strengthening exercises, anything I do. And this book basically is based off of um, Robin McKenzie doing 20,000 plus patients in over 40 years time, so tons and tons of research. And it's interesting in the book because I guess uh, one of the clinicians had actually put the table up too high to where the person went in and was laying with their head back like this, all you know tilted back, and they weren't supposed to be laying like that. And that's kind of how they figured out a lot of the exercises to be able to treat the neck. And the guy got up and he was like, I feel great. And he's like, I didn't even do anything. But it's pretty amazing because one of the exercises they do is trying to push the head back. So you're setting up as straight as you can, and you're basically retracting the head back as far as you can. And I've been doing that exercise every 2 hours, 8 times a day. And for me, my neck was so wrecked that I had to do it like 20 times in a row. So using the overpressure and actually trying to pull back with my head and push back to try to realign my neck. So anyway, I hope this helps. The book took me like an hour to read. It gives you tons of breakdowns on how to treat it. And I hope it's something that can save you a lot of pain and suffering if you're having ongoing neck problems, because I think as athletes we forget, you know, I used to heal in a day or two, and I used to lift weights 2 hours a day every day and hardly ever got sore. And now that I'm 51, you get injured sometimes and you're like 2 3 weeks, a month, 2 months. It's like you shouldn't still be messed up. If it's past 2 or 3 days and something's not healing, then something's really bad. So here you are 7 years, 8 years down the road, and finally I'm getting the nerve uncovered on this side. And it talks in the book about how the nerves will start to retract themselves back up the neck to the pain, and that's how you know it's starting to heal. And it's actually starting to retract itself back up to kind of the point where it all started. I'm getting the numbness is starting to go away both of my hands. So praise God, it's just awesome. And if it can help somebody else out there, then I hope it can. Okay, God bless. Have a good day. Bye.